Massarosa Airfield, helicopter India Delta 147, takeoff.
Slow, very, very slow with calm.
Were you ready?
Slow.
Soft and relax.
Perfect. When you are ready, take off. Slowly, slowly.
All right. All right. Not a problem. Air 8 carburetor.
Sí, I do it. Tranquilo, no problem.
No, only a pilot. Okay?
Sì, va bene, grazie, ciao.
Squeeze the forest a little bit up. Over the electric tower, please. Turn to the right. Zelinger, to the right. Climb 500 feet. Repeat, please.
I go climb to 500 feet, sí.
When you are in the wind, maintain the altitude and the speed. I send you some picture. Maintain the altitude and the speed, okay? Zelinger.
Sí, altitude 540 feet, speed 70.
Very good. Maintain.
Massarosa Airfield, helicopter India Delta 147, downwind 433.
Okay, you are number one. The second traffic is the Lamanna helicopter India Delta 8454. Maintain separation at tower 6.
Ah, toch wel bruut werk. De eerste vlucht alleen zo. Die lui zijn nog zenuwachtiger dan dat ik zelf ben, maar goed. Eentje vliegt er achter me, de andere staat
Collective
erop.
down, please. Slowly. 15. 15 collective.
Massarosa Airfield, helicopter India Delta 147, final 33.
You are number one. Maintain separation, Lamanna. Collective 15. Copy.
Collective 14.8, Maurino.
You are gay.
I love you too. Collective 15, speed 50, 200 feet, carbureting down.
Slowly the speed, 30 knots, please. Remember, feet left. 50 left. Okay, when you are ready, touch down. Very good. Stop and maintain the position.
Okay. Maintain. Stop. Down collective.
Collective full down. Mafia Maurino in the front.
Okay. Bravo.
Massarosa Nose Airfield, helicopter India Delta 147.
You go. Good. Perfect.